Hello. Good day to everyone. I am Villaluz, a fourth-year Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Sciences, and today we will be talking about the third week of classes. So, for this week, we will dedicate it solely to balancing chemical equations. It is kind of a hard lesson for us to teach and also for the students to learn. Balancing chemical equations require critical thinking and patience because when you balance chemical equations, you will have to try different numbers to balance the equations, and most of the time, you will commit a mistake in choosing the number. It is a matter of trial and error, and sometimes there are unique situations that affects the chemical equation. We taught for 2 sessions, Tuesday and Thursday. On Tuesday of this week, we announced the activities for the week first, then we talked about the basic components of a chemical equations again. It is some kind of a refresher for the students because we just had screen break. After discussing about the basic components, we tried to write the chemical equation from the word equation and checked if it is balanced. If not, then, with the class, we try to balance the chemical equation. I showed the class how to balance a chemical equation step by step and slowly but surely because I felt that my students are having a hard time already to keep up with the discussion. We ended the class after balancing 2 chemical equations, but I promised my class to provide more examples on the next meeting. Then Thursday came, I started my class by showing the basic components again so that the students will never forget on the things that needs to be considered whenever they balance a chemical equation. Then we continued on balancing chemical equations. I provided simple and easy chemical equations at first, and I am happy because I noticed that the students are a lot more responsive and can keep up with the discussion, and if there is something that they could not understand, they really raise their hand and ask a question. Then we solved more chemical equations with increasing difficulty, but still, the students were able to keep up. I am so happy with the performance of the students. Even though they are having a lot already, they are still eager to learn. Must be because they want to move up and be a senior high student already. That's it for now. Thank you for listening and see you on the next vlog.